So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh video. So today in this video we are going to see all about the data types in SQL. So basically this word is divided into two parts as data and another one is type. Okay, so first of all we are going to see about the data. Okay, there are the types of the data like 1 2 3 or coding or true false or 1.1 2.0 and so on. Okay, this data type is known as the integer. Okay, and the value which is present in the group of character, that is known as the varchar, and the value which is present in the true false form, that is known as the boolean, and the value which is present in the decimal form, that is known as the float. Okay, these are the data type in the SQL. Okay, so let's see about the data types. So here first one is about the integer. If we talk about the integer means the whole numbers are known as the integers. Okay, if we talk about the examples are like 1 2 0 7 10. These are known as the integer values. Okay, so if we talk about the varchar are nothing but the group of characters is known as the varchar. Like example, coding, and here made. These are the different words. This comes under the varchar. And if we talk about the boolean, it is also known as the bool. That is nothing but the value which is present in the true or the false form, that is known as the boolean. And if we talk about the float are like the value which is present in the decimal form, that is known as the float. 1.0 2.1 minus 0.1 or anything else. Okay, so these were the four data types in the SQL. Okay, that are used too much. Okay, integer, that means the whole number, varchar means group of characters, and boolean means the value which is present in the true false, and the float means the value which is present in the decimal form. Okay, so these were the four examples which are used out too much in the SQL. In this video we have shown all about the data types in SQL. Okay, so if you like this video guys, please like, share and subscribe our video.